Okay, so I just remembered today was my day to film. So I am starting now, obviously. Okay, for some very weird unknown reason, my sweater smells very strongly of perfume and it's giving me a headache right now. But otherwise, I am feeling perfectly fine. Yep. So I know everyone's like really busy this week because of speech and debate and the theater play, but come to think of it, none of us five awesome nooblets are either in speech and debate or the theater play. So I guess we are better off. Um, Unji, I'm glad that you're enjoying basketball. Like I could never say the same for swimming, which I am definitely joining this year because I know it's sort of obvious I have to do at least one sport. And swimming is the only one I'm interested in staying for the whole season. So, even though Mr. Lower obviously does not know any basics about swimming and plans to just work us to the core, I guess I'll just take that and the varsity letter with it. Okay, and I know this is like suddenly going into a weird topic and everything, but I had a very, very scary nightmare yesterday night. I think I was too stressed about failing the algebra quiz that I took today, but I was worried about it last night. So when I fell asleep, I had a nightmare about Mr. Bayer, my algebra 2 teacher. He was like literally out to kill me. So he was like smashing windows and like he has it like when he talks, it's like very naggy. So it's like just like really like nagging at you, and like it was like ringing in my ears the whole time, and I was just like, oh my god, please shut up. And because I'm usually half conscious when I'm sleeping, I like I'm like able to function my brain during my dreams, so I like think to myself and stuff. Um, so I decided that I don't want to be killed by Mr. Bayer, and therefore I sort of switched the ending and made the cops come and arrest him. So he ended up in prison, and I'm glad Mr. Bayer's not seeing this video. And but yeah, that's how my dream ended, and it went to something else. But my whole algebra class was there in the dream, watching me get attacked by Mr. Bayer. And yes, you son, you were there too, very clearly, and did not do anything to help me. I felt so betrayed. Anyway, that was my big dream of the day, and next week we will have an AP test. So we have a multiple choice section and compare and contrast essay in one period. Personally, I think the compare and contrast essay is way much easier than the DPQs. I don't know why Mrs. Spivey says the compare and contrast essays are harder, but seeing that we don't get a second chance this time, if I screw this up, then I will definitely fail AP. But since Mr. Spivey put up he narrowed down the subject of what our essay is going to be on, and he's going to let us have like one page note on whatever we want to like write on, right? So it would be seemingly easier, but I don't think writing a lot of notes exactly helps because then you'd have to take time to go read through it, and we only get 30 minutes to write our whole essay, so that's not such a good idea. Anyway, besides the point, I am going to kill myself over the weekend. I actually thought I was going to get some rest, but nothing really goes as you plan. So, yep, that will be the conclusion of this week. Um, you guys never told me when you guys were going to the play, especially you, Yuson. I don't know why I even have classes with you and I never found out. I'm watching the play tomorrow, which is Friday. I'm in row E, seat 9, sitting next to Monica and Agatha. I'm actually looking forward to the play because I know everyone worked really hard on it. And that's really all that's left of this week, so I'm hoping that everything will go well tomorrow. And before the play tomorrow, we have an AP World History study session for the test. And so Yusan, I am hoping to see you there. I'm planning to keep Mr. Spivey occupied till 7 o'clock when the play starts. And maybe even after. Yep. Because he specifically said that he would give up any of his time to answer our questions. So I shall force him to. And he was like talking nonsense today about making a point across or something, which was very pointless. But anyway, his little hamster freakish thing. And so Wednesday, I hope basketball keeps going well for you. Monday, I don't really see you at school. You still owe me a drink. And Tuesday, I'll see you tomorrow, right? Yeah, tomorrow, first block in chem. And Asian studies. And that's it. Anyway, Friday, I hope your debate tourney went well. Can't wait till you tell me about it. And since it's sort of boring just me talking like this and my voice isn't very clear at the moment, being tired, it's sort of drowned, I shall put the current song I am addicted to, just like every other video. So hope you guys enjoy that.